burning money. Essentially, that's what we do every day. Meet Ion 2.0, the first silver-based device to minimize food waste. Just add water, press the button, and place it in your fridge. It's that simple. It runs for weeks on a single charge, and when the battery is low, a red light turns on. No more frustration over losing food you were counting on. No more wasting money. Ion will pay for itself in a matter of weeks, and then it'll keep saving you money forever. Ion uses a special silver-coated filter, creating an ionized silver solution. It's highly effective against mold and bacteria responsible for food spoilage and unpleasant odors. Every hour, Ion releases an ultra-fine mist into the air. The silver mist doesn't leave any dampness or smell, but sanitizes your fridge and preserves your food. It also eliminates harmful bacteria that may thrive on the surface of your groceries, lowering the risk of an upset stomach or food poisoning. Why silver? Because it's the best existing natural antiseptic. Remember that silver coin in your grandma's water jar? People even used silver to treat wounds in ancient times. Silver is non-toxic. But the real kicker? It has a long-lasting effect. So when you take your fruits out of the fridge, they'll stay fresh longer. Another great thing about Ion, it needs zero maintenance. You'll need to charge it sometimes, and that's it. I mean, that's it. Because the silver catalyst filter lasts for years. You can clean it with soap and a brush. Nothing else is necessary, really. By the way, did you realize that food production is the largest industry in the world? 20% of food produced is wasted, a staggering 1 billion tons. This enormous waste is responsible for 10% of global emissions. Saving this food could prevent 3 billion tons of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere. Please support Ion. It saves food, it saves money, and it saves the environment. All at once.